Mayura ka eh. Oh, he didn't ask that? I don't believe you.
Your Honor, yan po yung truth. Hindi po namin pinag-uusapan po sa bahay. Medyo sensitive po yung topic po, kaya hindi po talaga namin
But you're
pinag-uusapan
not
sa bahay.
interested about the history of you and your family. Well, that is very important. Sabi ko nga, tumatakbo ka at nasa public office ka, diba? So, in your case, hindi niyo pinag-usapan. Are you willing to undergo a lie detector test?
Yes po, Your Honor.
Para paiksin natin dito, ma'am, Madam Chair, sa lahat ng mga sinasabi mo, especially dito sa na ikaw ay love child, na hindi pinag-usapan ng tatay mo, everything about you, everything about your past, you're willing? This is voluntary though, and hindi naman to acceptable sa korte. Para dito lang, para naman to help you at the same time. Kasi kung nagsabi ka na totoo, then it will help you na para malaman ng tao